Hello everyone, welcome to SFDC Learn and Share YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you to check all the upcoming Trailblazer community groups event in a single page, that is either a list view or calendar view. Before proceeding that, I already talked about the importance to joining the Trailblazer community groups and to learn the Salesforce and Salesforce products from the Trailblazer community groups. The video is available in the SFDC Learn and Share YouTube channel under the Salesforce Career playlist. If you not watched already, just go ahead and watch the video. Here I explained step by step to registering the Trailblazer community groups and register your spot, any of the events, and also the importance to join the Trailblazer community groups either as a leader or speaker or participants. As everyone knows, due to this COVID, most of the Trailblazer community groups even happening in virtual. So this is a great opportunity to explore the Salesforce and Salesforce products from other Trailblazer community groups irrespective of your place and time zone. Now let's talk about to check all the list of the upcoming Trailblazer community groups event in a single page, either a list view or calendar view. Go to the trailblazercommunitygroups.com and log in using your credential. So this is the landing page, that is a welcome page of the trailblazercommunitygroups.com. Drill down, here we have the section called Find Meetings Near You. Here it lists out the upcoming Trailblazer community groups event as per your nearest place. It's list out the card. Just click the event and it's redirecting to the event detail page, where here it's list out the event information, the event description and speaker and group leaders and everything. So this is the one of the ways we can check the event information about the upcoming event information nearest your place. And even if you drill down further, here it lists out based on the location. Let me tell you one of the instance, like the Asia Pacific. I'm leading the Salesforce, the developer group leader as in Bella Vista, the Western Sydney. So here clicking the developer group, this is the developer group detail page. From there we can see the upcoming meetings and past meetings. So upcoming meetings, if you navigate to the upcoming meeting section, here it lists out the upcoming information. Instead of to navigating here and there, we can simply check all the list of the Trailblazer community groups events, either the list view or calendar views in a single page. For that, simply go to the Join a Meeting menu. From here, it's listing all the upcoming Trailblazer community groups events in a list view as well as the calendar views. In a list view, here it lists out all the upcoming events. If you drill down further, we have the Load More button. If you click that Load More button, the other few more events appear as a list view. And if you are even clicking more and more, you will get all the events, the upcoming events in a list view. And also, if you noticed here, you can filter based on the event types, either the in-person event or virtual event or if any workshop. So based on the event types, you have the option to filter as well. If in case I'm selecting in-person event, so these all are the events happening these days. In the calendar view, so from the calendar view, it lists out based on the month and week and day wise. The month wise, and also if you noticed here the time zone, the default it's group, that it's displayed the event as per the group. The times, if you're selecting the mine, that means it gets converted and listed the events as per your profile time zone. The profile time zone means it's nothing but if you go to your profile and click that edit profile, from there you can set your time zone. So my time zone, Sydney, Australia. So then if you are selecting and filtered based on the time zone mine, it displayed as per your time zone. Okay. So also if you see here, these all are the event type, and based on the event type, all the event information displayed in the color code as well. If it is a virtual event, it will be displayed in this particular color. If it is a party or meeting, that color code also appear in the calendar view. As I mentioned, I am a developer group leader in Bella Vista. I am organizing one of the event on December 4th, 4 p.m. the Sydney time. The event name called the Beginner's Guides to Getting Started with the Salesforce API using Postman. If you like to check more details about that event, simply click and it's get redirected to the new tab and open that event information. And if you see here, the calendar view still appear, it's not closed. So you can come back any point of time to check other event list as well. For this one, if you like to explore about to getting started with the Salesforce API using the Postman, like connect your Salesforce with Postman and get the records using the Salesforce, like using the REST API in the Postman, or creating the record or updating the record, and even the delete the record from the Salesforce using the REST API with the help of the Postman. If you like to know more details, if you are available in this particular time, then register your spot and attend that event. Simply click that RSVP, and the first name, last name, email address already populated as per your profile. If you noticed here, add me to this group, this local group for future events updates. So that means if you clicked, then while submit, it's automatically register your spot, as well as you are part of the member for this particular group. So whenever any email notification they sent from this particular group, you will get the notification. Whenever they created and published that new event, you will get that notification about that new event information. If you are available for a particular time, you can easily to register your spot and attend. And even if you want to become a member of any of the group, not only this, if you go to the group detail page, you will find the join group button. So simply click that join group and you make a member of that particular group, and you will get the email notification whenever they publishing any of the new event. So for the summary, so in a single page, we can check all the upcoming Trailblazer community groups event list, either a list view or using the calendar view. If you go to the join a meeting and navigate either the list or calendar. That's all about this video. I hope this video is helpful. If so, please like, share this video to your friends and colleagues, and also subscribe the SFDC Learn and Share YouTube channel to get the new email notification. Thanks again for watching this video. We'll see you in any other interesting another videos. Thank you. Bye.